Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this 208 in the active specification. So this car comes with alloy wheels. You've got a 7-inch touchscreen that features DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay and Bluetooth. You also get air conditioning, cruise control, and the car is £20 to tax. So let's have a look around. This car comes with a 1.2 litre PureTech engine that gives you 82 horsepower. It's done just under 20,000 miles, and if it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.